You can say a year can ready dim. As I say, yes, so sad that election post election analysis, Metana, I say, nay, him see wedding could him. But not said him could him didn't make a see and near him say a bedrusa. Near him says swearing in be successful. But I mean, him say a bay that's successful.
Right.
Based on someone I yet as a political party sometimes be a boo who be so near my year.
Right.
And I believe those rumors and in someone in terms of security, in terms of arrangement, in terms of programming of the entire story in Ukraine and Buama historically I think say the FA the number of ma hodo mpenimfo a wonde o menya beta djuma di na chi bi mu se na ye omo bi so se nye omo o kodi mampani kotina fie kakra samba nana bo me kakra. How is that different from say wedi mampani now call second term? It's almost the same thing.
Yeah.
Enti Yahoo the swearing in of other president Nana Akufo-Addo the second term here president for the second term here Rawlings the second term here swearing in the neko. But Muhammad did say and for that symbolism say warfare for regional unity and cohesion. Na you will be to train to be a sahuram, irrespective of how you became a leader in India. For me, it's a very important year. I see. I was in Guinea so na the Papa number so because said you okay, and then within the sub-region, no quite to say benkum any nifa. Benkum no adware nifa no antimi dware no benkum. Nti ya was a benkum dware nifa na nifa so dware benkum.
Right.
So in as much as ABR, Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, ehia no, we equally need them in diverse ways. Nti se okase maya so branchem matoto ebi efficacy mu mra ya mama otumetum ne ekura de ekura me de bufu papa se o mama duane de bufu afifie ne yeso yesi ehwe no ama ne ye abofra sansa I don't know who lose. Now what kind of the Sahel is a very critical area as far as the sub-region is of concern. And until who may here say some informal gestures be and they are going to be shiny between say and saying to that extent there is a possibility seeing you able to me as I share on the round table near. It's all about the development of our sub-region and Africa as a whole. You know, for me now very very interesting. Now Adeba Konso na emo one year Ghanaians. As I said, the Ghana forgot to abandon. I don't know sorry you know. Nana as at 2 a.m. I'm free parliament. Now I Konso MP near MPs full in a via make Independence Square. The place was filled. 2 a.m.
How much?
Hey, now I'm saying now they won't go via Mumbrado Pasa today 12 o'clock. And it's beautiful. I feel your more free chichi tamaleno ni ade afi o makura munya ba bintina. Me ankasa microphone mi do mu free conscious mi ya nko mu fie.
Sorry. Get water, please water.
Yeah. The weather is expected. Ya kan mo ka fie TV because o medru ye be 9:30. Even outer layers no graba bi no better.
Debu nya baby ntimi man ko se me nya invite me se me nko. Baby e hokra be yira me.
Me a my accreditation ye de ma be say abranche ya abrabi. And woluma bi ba na de yira na de mana. Abi we ase na sister station media bi na kwaje obo de na media man na be do good. And I don't cry easy.
Yeah.
But it's interesting. Yeah, the Ghana of Wase. I am happy. Say otie nsemo ora mampani John Dramani Mahama ofra pansemo odigu kwam clearly he is calling for national unity because bibi anywhere say yetete mu ebitumi yamana ye I was here kan ho bom say yefunu ba komu ade na ba bia ye feel say niam ase yakoduru bia no nyina yejutum na yapem koyenim. And the challenges with the energy sector, the challenges with the second cycle institutions in terms of feeding, but Yanka say the usual blame game we ain't yet for one. No, I don't think I talk about my. I don't think in as much as a bimo person, Ombe query a bimo may of we knew the reality yesterday. Now, person, I can say, buy me or buy near dear crunchy on the diabano. In as much as a bimo person or query or more. Na true when you know it's fine. But what is most important here? Quite paben ye bit me can woman. Now if there are challenges are a bit me adverse situation na turning adversities into advantage.
Right.
For me that's very important. And emergency meeting of course with the energy players. Now consequently I hear to the first nomination yanya energy minister designate, yanya finance minister designate, yanya yen attorney general, minister of justice designate. Challenges in our ministry of energy, you know. You need these 3 officers.
I need education. Air designate say the power should do him.
Obet me advice. It's only an advisorial.
Chief, I need to communicate. You
see,
obet me I the chief director.
Good. And it's sometimes it's in the form of advice. And you see, conventionally, you know, whoever is an officer at the ministry or share the caliber of team or war parliament, no, they say who approve a way there. And yet they have sometimes they take the advice. Most often than not, they take the advice. Because wow, fan or bar, you will be accountable for a lot of things.
Okay.
And one say watch there, for instance, Obi to say Jinapo, our advice say they should halt all supplies and other stuff at ECG need their account. I believe they are taking it into proper context. Now, Obetia say no money, so said there are bigger looming challenges or anticipated here and my aquamma and for how be amba.
Right.
They say Osha area of education or Luma Casa by Monday, we are setting up a consultative committee Kwampa for once and for all. You have one direct source of funding for the program.
Yeah.
Maybe you say, oh, you drew be cry, COVID, the COVID is going to be coho, a drew baby, internal revenue. I said,
Montani, you live in your free senior high school.
Yeah, said that. Oh, parents, citizen. I be also arguing.
No, bet me. The live the word no. Into when you free senior high school live you.
Well, I'll be happy if you are called to the
because it's a funding source. I honestly think say
yeah.
Once again, you know, explain it and say it be a seer. Although, sir, Mokasum will be trim, MPP Kasum be trim. No, I think say I accountability in a year. He said
that's right.
But if you are accountable, say be a
I'm
sure say Ghana for no Kabeka okay, mention Nemum Dinocrema, you say, you tria, would be we.
It's a broader conversation. I'm just say Drew more Bobby winning our mother one over yeah, find it already. Guta and Co are bringing statements saying 11 academy in trouble. People are raising issues, but you see, political sometimes hypocrisy. You see, sometimes political
hypocrisy. And that is the bane of this country.
No, you see,
yeah.
Well, who's that? Insia, and the what? No, General Faso. No, General Faso who say Insia.
Oh, to me, can you let me have some new?
Have you never come on?
I
said, I did do a what? Oh, yeah,
and almost say, Mecano 2 years ago, I made a passionate appeal to E-Levy, and I will never depart from that. The only thing will be say NDC will eat a humble pie. I catch the Ghana for say, it wasn't a bad intervention. No.
Somebody call one or nothing for
E-Levy, I find you know.
But once a first, next 1.5 next, Timon from now, what
do you do? I can't want them. But we support them. Support them.
Money, yes.
Now, what you want to say? I've any
originally for who is here. Me from where I come from, CSA, there were other sources of revenue generation yen try 11 more, I'll be a very happy man because I come from a district that multi-dimensional poverty is very high. So because we try 11 more, I'm sure the and it will answer a certain political core. Yes, we make it. And I don't think we are in this game for early justification and answer glorification. Yeah, at the end of the day, they ever bought Ghana for no. And I say, ever bought my father to my pa. Afra, you know the Muzongo for now. No, your pa Mahama, Echo Ahmadiyya.
Asem na Bajai.
Eko Ahmadiyya for conference. Now no National Islamic Prayer. No, or catch you. Say what? 5-member Hajj Task Force Committee. Ira Collins, Alhaji Collins, Dauda. And also so say Juma di bi omudi no inshallah endru afia ye wura mu hajj mreno na hajj fees no dramatically na abafom na obia to me so akwakosom na nyankopon. So that's good news for the Muslim Ummah and the Muslim community. Kakran minim say nenko na wie no we are expecting a Greek foreign affairs, defense and say health. That list will also come.
So a man who 14 days.
14 days. It's the air na bibia be kama.
Mate. Opoman.